Traction control, also known as anti-slip regulation or ASR, and electronic stability control or ESC, is a safety system that prevents wheel spin and enhances vehicle stability during acceleration or cornering. It's designed to optimize grip, especially in slippery conditions, by modulating engine power and applying brakes to individual wheels. The Skoda Fabia III features a traction control system integrated into Skoda's Vehicle Stability Assist framework. This system is typically supplied by Bosch or Continental and forms a comprehensive safety network for the vehicle. The system continuously monitors key vehicle dynamics, including wheel speed, steering angle, yaw rate, and lateral acceleration to detect any instability. The system has two main components. ASR, or anti-slip regulation, specifically targets traction loss during acceleration by modulating engine power or applying selective braking. ESC, or electronic stability control, addresses overall vehicle stability by counteracting skids through coordinated interventions. It's important to note that traction control features can vary depending on the specific trim level of your Fabia III, such as the active or style variants. Always consult your owner's manual for details specific to your vehicle. The ASR ESC system is controlled via a dedicated ESP button on the vehicle's center console. This button is usually located near the gear shifter or infotainment screen. Its appearance is typically a car skidding icon or the letters ESP. Here you can see the dashboard controls, including the ESP button area. This image shows the ESP button being pressed, located on the center console. After pressing the ESP button, you may see indicators like the ASR off light illuminate on the dashboard. To disable ASR while leaving ESC active, briefly press the ESP button for 1 to 2 seconds. An indicator light, often labeled ESP off or a similar icon, will illuminate on the dashboard. Disabling ASR allows for more wheel spin, useful in specific situations like off-road driving. To deactivate both ASR and ESC, press and hold the ESP button for 3 to 5 seconds. This allows for controlled skids and is generally only recommended for experienced drivers in specific scenarios. Be aware of increased risk with both systems off. To re-enable ASR, press the ESP button briefly again. To reactivate ESC, if previously disabled by holding the button, press and hold the ESP button again. The indicator light on the dashboard should turn off, indicating the system is active. The system may also reactivate automatically upon ignition restart or exceeding a speed threshold, e.g. 50 km/h. Disabling traction control systems like ASR or ESC increases the risk of accidents, especially in slippery conditions. According to safety experts, these systems reduce fatal accidents by 30 to 40% in wet or icy roads. It's essential to understand when disabling is appropriate. Only experienced drivers should disable traction control in specific situations, such as off-road driving or controlled track conditions where wheel spin might be necessary. Always re-enable the system for normal driving conditions, particularly on public roads. The system automatically reactivates at higher speeds or ignition restart, but manual confirmation ensures safety. Traction control complements defensive driving techniques, but isn't a substitute. It works alongside proper driving habits to enhance safety, but drivers must remain alert and responsive. To illustrate potential issues, here's a diagram showing common TCS warning light problems that can occur when traction control is compromised. The ABS system diagram shows how braking components integrate with stability controls, highlighting the interconnected nature of these safety systems. If the ESP button is faulty or the system isn't functioning as expected, a diagnostic scan tool, such as an OBD2 reader, can confirm the system status. During servicing, check for any ECU updates at your Skoda dealership, as these may improve responsiveness. Refer to your owner's manual for specific information related to your Fabia III model.